Hello everyone, and today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to make a changing status for your bot. So, let's get into it. So, first, we can just remove this because that's what makes the bot on, and we'll add that in later, but we can just remove it right now. And then, do @client.event and then async def status change parentheses and colon, and then you do await client dot wait until underscore ready parentheses, while true with a capital T, await client dot change underscore presence parentheses activity equals discord dot activity with a capital A parentheses type equals discord dot activity type dot now that's gonna be playing, watching, listening, so either playing, watching, or listening. So I'm just going to put playing, comma, name, equals, quotation marks, test. And then, await async and make sure you have import async right here for this to work, or else it will say async not defined. Await async dot sleep and then 5, because that will change it every 30 seconds, I think. I'm not sure. And then you can just copy and paste this however many times you want, and make sure to change this, and you can change this into playing or whatever. But I'm just gonna copy it a few times. I'm gonna copy it 3 times, each for a different status. Watching test 2 and listening test 3. And then just move a couple spaces. Client.event async def on underscore ready parentheses colon, then print parentheses quotation marks bot is on await status change parentheses and then client dot loop dot create underscore task status change parentheses. And there. Now just save it, Control S, and go here, tutorial bot, and no errors. Then let's see. Alright, yep, it works. Then you can see I did some ping pong things. But yeah, that's it. Alright, bye. See ya.